Hello and welcome to our channel, where we explore the fascinating world of astronomy and space science. Today, we're going to talk about the different ways that a star can die, depending on its size and mass relative to our own Sunday. From the explosive power of supernovas to the serene beauty of planetary nebulae, the death of a star is a complex and fascinating process that we're going to explore in this video. Let's start by looking at the fate of low to medium mass stars, which are those with a mass of up to 8 times that of our Sun. These stars will eventually exhaust all their nuclear fuel and run out of energy to sustain their internal nuclear reactions. As a result, they will slowly cool and collapse under their own gravity, becoming what is known as a white dwarf. A white dwarf is a small, hot, dense object that emits a faint glow of light as it slowly cools down over billions of years. Eventually, a white dwarf will become a cold, dark object known as a black dwarf and fade away into the vastness of space. Moving on to massive stars, those with a mass greater than 8 times that of our Sun, their fate is much more dramatic. These stars will also eventually run out of fuel, but instead of collapsing into a white dwarf, they will explode in a violent supernova. A supernova is a massive explosion that occurs when the core of a star collapses under its own gravity, causing a massive release of energy and the ejection of the outer layers of the star into space. The explosion can be so bright that it can briefly outshine an entire galaxy. After a supernova explosion, the core of the star can either become a neutron star or a black hole, depending on the mass of the star. A neutron star is a small, incredibly dense object made up of neutrons that are packed together tightly, while a black hole is an object with such intense gravity that nothing, not even light, can escape its pull. In intermediate mass stars, those with a mass between 1.5 and 8 times that of our Sun, there occurs another type of supernova called a type Ia supernova. This type of supernova occurs when a white dwarf star in a binary system accumulates enough matter from its companion star to trigger a runaway nuclear fusion reaction, leading to a sudden and catastrophic explosion. Finally, let's talk about planetary nebulae. These are beautiful, glowing clouds of gas and dust that form around a star that is near the end of its life cycle. As a low to medium mass star sheds its outer layers and becomes a white dwarf, it emits intense ultraviolet radiation that ionizes the gas in the surrounding cloud, causing it to glow with a variety of bright colors. Planetary nebulae are some of the most beautiful and fascinating objects in the night sky. So, there you have it, the different ways that a star can die, depending on its size and mass relative to our Sun. From the serene beauty of planetary nebulae to the explosive power of supernovas, the death of a star is a complex and fascinating process that astronomers continue to study and explore to this day. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in our next video.